Good afternoon, everyone. So for today, we're going to have a discussion about marketing analytics and decision making. So marketing management is a dynamic field that constantly evolves to adapt to changing consumer behaviors, technological advancements, and global market shifts. Several emerging trends are shaping the landscape of marketing management, influencing how business connect with their audiences and drive success. Marketing analytics is a data-driven approach that involves the collection, analysis, and interpretation of marketing data to make informed decisions and optimize marketing strategies. It encompasses the use of various tools and techniques to measure the performance of marketing campaigns. So track consumer behavior and assess the effectiveness of different marketing channels. So by leveraging data, organization can gain valuable insights into customer preferences, market trends, and the overall impact of their marketing efforts. The process of marketing analytics involves the systematic gathering of data from various sources such as social media, website analytics, customer feedbacks, and sales data. And this data is then analyzed to identify patterns, trends, and correlations that can inform marketing strategies. Through the use of advanced analytics techniques such as predictive modeling and machine learning, the marketers can also make future predictions about consumer behavior and market dynamics. On the other hand, decision-making marketing analytics is crucial aspect of the process as insights derived from data needs to be translated into actionable strategies. Marketers use the findings to make informed decisions about campaign optimization, resource allocation, and overall marketing strategy adjustment. Let's say, for example, if analytics reveal that a particular marketing channel is generating a higher return on investment, resources can be reallocated to maximize impact. And this data-driven decision-making approach helps organizations stay agile and responsive to changing market conditions. And to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our presenter. Go ahead.
Hindi ko makikita. Okay, nakikita po ba?
Yes, sir, go ahead.
Okay, good afternoon, Doc. Good afternoon, classmate. Actually, myself, hindi ko siya nakikita on cam, but I just proceed on my topic. We're three members for this module 8, which is the marketing analytics and decision making, which is Miss Anna and Miss Senia. So I'll be the one who first to report this topic. So I just proceed. Here in the learning outcomes, after the successfully finishing the course entitled the Marketing Analytics and Decision Making, individuals will possess a comprehensive comprehensions of the manner in which data-driven insight may effectively shape marketing strategies, optimize decision-making and process, and ultimately foster corporate expansion. So ito yung mga learning outcomes. The first, the introduction of marketing analytics. Here is defined the marketing analytics and its significance in strategic decision-making. Next is understand how marketing analytics compliance and traditional marketing practices. Next one is the data collection and preparations. Here and the data collection preparations are important steps in any data analytics projects. It's a data collection is a process of the gathering data from the various sources such as the internal database, internal sources of the manually entered data. Data preparation is the process of organizing, cleaning, and transforming. Next one is a descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis is the type of analysis that helps describe the show or summarize the data points. Naririnig po ba? Kasi nawawala yung internet ko. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, go ahead. We will inform you if we don't hear you. All right, now we don't hear you.
Naririnig po. Okay, sorry. Okay. So next, Dito tayo sa descriptive analysis, which is the type of analysis that helps to describe, show, or summarize the data points or constructive ways, such as the patterns might be emerged that fulfill the very condition of the data. It is one of the most important steps for conducting the statistical data analysis, and also be categorized into 4 types. It is one is the measure of frequency, measure of the central tendency, measure of this dispersion, or variation of the measure of positions. This type of descriptive helps summarize the characteristic of the data set, such as how many times a certain event or span occurs, what is the average of typical value, how the data is spread out or distributed, and how the data is ranked or ordered. Next one is the exploratory data analysis. It's a method to analyze and investigate the data designed to summarize the main characteristics of the data set. It also helps to see that what data can reveal behind for the formal modeling or hypothesis testing task, and provides a better understanding of the data set variables rather, and also the relationship between them. Next one is a customer segmentations and targeting. Customer segmentation and targeting are 2 key concepts in marketing that helps businesses identify and reach their most profitable and promising customers. Customer segmentation is a process of dividing a large or diverse customer base into the smaller and more homogeneous groups based on the certain criteria, such as the demographics, behaviors, needs, preferences, or the value. The customer targeting is a process of selecting of the more segments that have the highest potentials for the growth and profitability, and designing marketing strategies and campaigns that appeal to them. Next one is the predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is a branch or advanced analytics that uses data, machine learnings, and artificial intelligence to forecast the future outcomes and performance. Predictive analytics can help the businesses and organizations make better decisions, optimize the processes, and reduce risk, and increase the efficiency. Next one is the regression analysis. It's a type of the data analysis that aims to find the relations between the dependable variables and one or the more independent variables. And regression can be used for the various purposes, such as the predictions, estimation, hypothesis testing, and causal inference. Next one is the marketing mix modeling. It's a technique that uses statistical and mathematical methods to estimate the effects of the marketing variables on the customer's behaviors and sales. It also can help the businesses optimize their marketing mix, measure the performance, and compare the different mixes and marketing elements. And also involves collecting and analyzing historical data on sales, and marketing activities such as the advertising, promotions, pricings, and distributions. Then it is uses of regression analysis or the other techniques to quantify the impact of each marketing variables on sales, while the controlling or external factors such as the seasonality, competitions, or economic conditions. Finally, it uses estimated coefficients to forecast and outcomes of different scenarios and marketing mix allocations. Next one is the customer lifetime of the value or the analysis. And is optimize the value of their customers' relationships. It also involves investing the total revenue or the profit, and the customer will generate for the business over the entire course of their interaction, and using the information to make the strategic decision-making, retention, and loyalty. The A/B testing and experimental design. It is also the method comparing the two or more versions of the website, apps, or other online platform to see which one that performs a better or a certain metric, such as the conversions, clicks, or engagements. Experimental design is a process of the planning and conducting controlled experiment to test the hypothesis and compare different solutions. The EB testing is a type of the experimental design that involves randomly assigning users to different versions and measuring the outcomes. Next one is the attribution modeling. It's a marketing strategy that analyzes how different channels and touch points influence a customer's decision to convert. It also helps the marketers to measure the effectiveness of ROI or their campaigns of optimize their budget allocations. Next one is the market basket analysis and cross-selling. Are the two related concepts in the marketing or the data mining. And market basket analysis is a technique to identify the patterns, relationship between the product and the customer frequently purchase together. The cross-selling strategy to offer the relevant and complementary products to the customer based on their previous current purchases. For example, the customer buys a laptop or the selling offer, it could be the laptop bag, a mouse, and a warranty plan. The market basket analysis can help to identify with the products most likely we both together and thus inform the cross-selling strategy. The social media and the web analysis. Analysis are two the related fields that the data used to understand the optimized online platforms and user behavior. The social media analysis focuses on the collecting and analyzing data from social media networks such as the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Web analysis is focusing on the measuring and improving the performance and user experience of the website, apps, and other online platforms. Decision-making with analysis. Just wait for a while. Okay. Decision-making with analysis is a process of using the various data tools and to make informed and rationally choices. It is also involves identifying the problem, researching options, creating a framework, evaluating the outcomes, and implementing the decision. Decision-making with analysis can help to achieve your goals, optimize your resources, and reduce risk and uncertainties. Okay. Next one is the ethical consideration in marketing analytics. Are the principles and guidelines that help the marketers collect, analyze, and use data is a responsible and transparent manner. Ethics in marketing analytics are important to protecting the consumer privacy, building trust, and complying the data protection regulations. That's my report for the part 1. Next one, Miss Senya, right?
Good afternoon, everyone, especially to our Professor Dean Abante, and of course to all of you, my classmates. So for my report is part 2 of the marketing analytics and decision making. So for this one, we will tackle several crucial elements of data-driven decision making in marketing in marketing, and then benefits of data-driven decision making in marketing, and of course, the challenges of data-driven decision making.
Go ahead.
First of all, I'd like to
Hi, good afternoon, everyone, especially to our dean, Dr. Abante. So, as I've said a while ago, my topic is about the important marketing analytics tools and skills. So, we have here, okay. So, the proficiency in various marketing analytics tools and their potential to enhance marketing endeavors is very crucial due to the software-dependent nature of marketing analytics. So here are prominent marketing analytics software. First is the Google Analytics. When we say Google Analytics, it is a web analytics service that is designed to monitor and provide comprehensive reports on the traffic generated by websites. So example here is the website traffic analysis. So we can, in this tool, or in this software, we can see the number of visitors in our website and also their location, the location of the viewers or the visitors of the said website. And then next one is the HubSpot. It is a platform that evaluates the efficacy of various marketing strategies. Then, for this naman, the example that I can give is the customer relationship management and the marketing automation. So next is the Brand Watch. Identifies emerging patterns and collects valuable consumer perspectives and monitors the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. So for this, for Brand Watch, the example here is the reputation management and also the campaign trackings and analysis. Next is the Sprout Social. It is a software platform that facilitates the management, monitoring, and analysis of social media engagement. So an example for this is the social media scheduling, social media monitoring, and also the CRM, just like in the Google Analytics. Then next is the SEMrush. It is a tool utilized for the monitoring and evaluation of content marketing in the world. So for this, an example here is we can see the competitors and we can also audit the site. And lastly, for Salesforce, it is to analyze the performance of marketing campaigns across various channels within the Salesforce. So for this, we can example here is the influence marketing. So using the Salesforce, we can the sites can influence all the markets. Then next is the marketing analytics skills. Gaining proficiency in the aforementioned marketing analytics tools will facilitate the acquisition of essential competencies for handling marketing data and generating actionable insights, hence enabling individuals to enhance the effectiveness of their team or organization. According to ZipRecruiter's Career Keyword Mapper, individuals seeking to excel in marketing analytics can enhance their proficiency in data analytics and SQL, or the structured query language. It is a programming language employed for relational database management. So additionally, they can cultivate workplace competencies such as communication and innovation, which valued by the employers. I have here, so additionally, it may be advantageous to refine the following proficiencies as they have potential to enhance your performance in the field of marketing analytics. So we have here, how many? 7. So first is the building dashboards using marketing analytics software to track and display the data. Next one is the sales forecasting. So as we all know, forecasting is the process of estimating future sales based on database and based on data and trends. So by estimating this, we can able to, or the organization or will able to have prepare for the upcoming sales. And then next is the branding. Example for this branding is checking the unique and recognizable identity for a product. And next one is conducting marketing research. So on the previous reports po, I think it was discussed by Mr. Copia. Na-discuss niyo po ng maayos itong marketing research. Why do marketers need to conduct market research? And next is project management. So for project management, we need to have this, or each organization need to have this in order for them to make to make plans, organize, and also to manage the resources. And then next is the cleaning data. So for cleaning data, it identifies, corrects, or removes errors and inconsistencies and inaccuracies in a data set. So, by in cleaning data, the organizations should or must be very careful on this, kasi sometimes data are not accurate. Okay, last one is the A/B testing. This is the comparison of two variants or two products or services. So that's for the field of marketing analytics. And then the next one is the 4 benefits of marketing analytics. So what are these 4 benefits? First is to get a complete view of all marketing activities. Second is gain a better understanding of your customers. Third is refine your marketing strategy. And the last one is predict the success of future marketing. So when we say get a complete view of all marketing activities, well, at times, comprehending the comprehensive scope of marketing channels, including paid digital advertisements, email campaigns, social media platforms, and websites can pose a challenge. So data enables individuals to monitor and analyze these constituent elements, facilitating comprehension of their individual functionalities as well as their interdependencies. So we proceed to the second benefit of marketing analytics. They to gain a better understanding of your customers. Of course, that is our target. Data can yield practical insights on the characteristics of your customer base, as their demographic profiles, na-mention ko kanina yan, typical behavioral patterns, challenges, and more relevant information. So Data can provide valuable insights into identifying areas for improvement within a team, thereby enhancing their overall experience. So the next benefit is refine your marketing strategy. So here, data provides valuable insights into the effectiveness and the rationale behind marketing strategies. It also enables marketers to make real-time refinements. By identifying successful initiatives, marketers can replicate them while eliminating underperforming ones. And last benefit is to predict the success of future marketing campaigns. Predictive scoring, utilizing historical marketing campaigns, frequently enables the anticipation of customer responses to forthcoming campaigns and the evaluation of total advertising and marketing endeavors. So these are the 4 benefits of marketing analytics. Okay, so since this topic is just part of the part 2 of our first topic in module 8, I now conclude. Okay, so marketing analytics plays a crucial role in a business by providing valuable insights and data-driven decision making. So marketing analytics empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions, optimize marketing efforts, enhance customer experiences, and of course, ultimately drive business growth. Okay, so the utilization of data to support marketing decisions enables firms to mitigate uncertainties and also reduce dependence on anecdotal evidence. This practice empowers marketing teams to make well-informed business decisions and, of course, to enhance customer relationship management. All right, so for the marketing data analytics tools and techniques, part 3 of our first topic will be discussed by Ms. Althea Ong. Thank you for listening. Here's my reference, the book authored by our prof. Thank you.
And
And thank you, Ma'am Shenya, and good afternoon, Dean, Doc Abante, and classmates. I'm Anna Althea Ong, and I'm here to report on marketing data analytics tools and techniques. So this is the continuation or last part of our topic 1 for module 8, but later on we'll still proceed with topics 2, 3, and 4 for module 8. So previously, my group mates have discussed the introduction to marketing analytics, important marketing analytics tools and skills, and benefits of marketing analytics. So for this report, we'll be discussing more on the examples of tools and techniques like softwares and websites that can help marketers formulate their marketing strategies. So marketing data analytics tools and techniques encompasses the approaches and software solutions employed for the purpose of gathering, manipulating, scrutinizing, and extracting valuable insights from data pertaining to marketing activities. So furthermore, the technologies facilitate marketers in making well-informed decisions, optimizing campaigns, and enhancing the overall effectiveness of marketing strategies. And lastly, it enhances the overall effectiveness of marketing strategies. So let us now proceed with the following tools and methodologies that are often employed in the field of marketing data analytics. So for the following slides, I'll be discussing more on examples or additional examples of the softwares and websites used by marketers for their marketing strategies. So firstly, for data collection and preparation, we have Google Analytics, then Tag Managers or Google Tag Manager, and Customer Relationship Management Systems or CRM. Next is for data visualization and reporting, we have Tableau, Power BI or Microsoft's Business Intelligence, and lastly, Google Data Studio. Then for descriptive analytics, tools like Excel, yung lagi natin ginagamit sa office. Then next is SPSS, Statistical Package for the Social Science. Then Python, Pandas, and R. Next is for predictive analytics. We have R and Python. Then IBM SPSS Modeler and SAS or Statistical Analysis Software. The next is A/B testing and experimentation. So for additional info for A/B testing and experimentation, so it is a marketing experiment wherein you have two groups of people wherein given alternative versions of camping to test and determine which is more effective. So you can show, for example, half of your audience the version B, then while the other half the version A. So tools that can be used here are firstly Optimizely, then Google Optimize, then VWO or Visual Website Optimizer. So for the second batch of the tools and methodologies, so firstly, customer segmentation and analysis, customer analytics platforms, tools like Kissmetrics and Mixpanel, then Google Analytics segmentation. And for social media and web analytics, we have social media analytics tools such as Hootsuite, Sprout, Social, and Buffer, and web scraping tools like Python libraries such as Beautiful Soup and Scrapy. Then for marketing automation and attribution, so we have platforms like HubSpot, Marketo, and Pardot, and attribution models like Google Analytics and Adobe Analytics. The next we have is text and sentiment analysis. So when we say text and sentiment analysis, it's an artificial intelligence technique that uses machine learning and natural language processing or NLP to analyze text for opinion polarity from positive to negative. And if you have the right tools, you can extract precise information from a variety of sources, including emails, customer support issues, social media interactions, and online reviews. So tools that can be used like Python's NLTK and Spacy and Social Mention. Then for geographic analysis, tools like GIS or Geographic Information System tools like ArcGIS and QGIS. Then lastly, for the last batch of tools and methodologies, so firstly, marketing mix modeling, tools like Nielsen, IRI or Information Resources Incorporation. Next is customer analytics platforms such as Google Analytics 360 and Adobe Analytics. Then for data warehousing and integration or cloud-based systems such as Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, and ETL or extract, transform, load tools like Talent, Informatica, and Apache and Nephi for data integration. Then for data and privacy and compliance tools, so data management platforms or DMPS manage and segment customer data while adhering to privacy regulations. Lastly, cookie consent tools as well. Then lastly, we have machine learning tools and AI tools. So AutoML platforms like Google AutoML and IBM Watson's, and deep learning frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. So in conclusion, the tools and strategies provide marketers with the ability to utilize data, extract significant insights, and make well-informed decisions that enhance marketing effectiveness and contribute to the success of an organization. The selection of tools is contingent upon various aspects, including the requirements of the organization's financial resources and level of technical proficiency. And that is the end of my report. Thank you for listening. And here are my references. So we'll now proceed with our next topics 2, 3, and 4 for Module 8.
Okay, so again, I think you're done, no? So marketing analytics facilitates a more personalized and targeted approach to consumer or customer engagement. By by understanding customer preferences and behaviors through data analysis, marketers can tailor their messages and offers to specific segments, increasing the likelihood of positive responses. And this not only enhances the customer experience, but also contributes to higher conversion rates and improved customer satisfaction. Again, marketing analytics provide a holistic view of customer journey, allowing marketers to understand how consumers interact with the brand across various touchpoints. This comprehensive understanding helps in identifying key moments, no, in the customer decision-making process, enabling marketers to optimize and personalize their messaging at each stage. By analyzing customer touchpoint, marketers can identify strengths and weaknesses in the customer experience, leading to strategic adjustment that improve overall satisfaction and loyalty. So, the continuous feedback loop established through marketing analytics allows for ongoing refinement of marketing strategies. And marketers can monitor real-time data to assess the immediate impact of campaigns and promotions, making quick adjustments based on performance metrics. So this agile approach is particularly valuable in today's fast-paced and ever-changing business landscape, where the ability to adapt swiftly to market dynamics is a competitive advantage. So marketing analytics also plays a vital role in measuring the return on investment on marketing efforts. So by quantifying the impact of campaigns and initiatives, organizations can allocate budget more effectively, focusing resources on activities that deliver the highest value. And this data-driven approach to budgeting helps organizations optimize their marketing spend and maximize the efficiency of their marketing efforts, contributing to overall business success. Collaboration between marketing and other departments is facilitated through the insights provided by marketing analytics. Data-driven decision-making creates a common ground for discussions, aligning marketing goals with broader organizational objectives. And this collaboration or this collaborative approach breaks down silos and foster a culture of data-driven decision-making throughout the organizations, enhancing overall business intelligence and strategic alignment. So, marketing analytics is an integral component of modern business strategies, providing actionable insights for decision makers. Its multifaceted contributions extends beyond campaign optimizations, influencing customer experience, organizational agility, budget allocation, and cross-functional collaboration. As organizations increasingly recognize the importance of data-driven decision-making, the role of marketing analytics continues to evolve, shaping the future of strategic management and business success. Marketing analytics, again, is a powerful tool that enables organizations to make data-driven decisions, optimize marketing strategies, and enhance overall performance. It empowers marketers to understand their target audience, measure the success of campaigns, and adapt to changing market dynamics. So, the integration of analytics in decision-making processes helps organizations stay competitive in a dynamic business environment, ultimately leading to more efficient and effective marketing outcomes. And I think that's it for module number 8. Or do we have still a presenter?
Yes po, Doc. Meron pang part 2.
Okay,
Kasi natin to.
Okay, go ahead.
So, I just proceed na po. So, my topic for the part 2 is predictive modeling and customer segmentation. So, since nasabi na po ni Doc yung mga it regards on the topic of the module 8, I just give an example. I don't want to elaborate on the words by words. I just give some example na lang for a serious way para at least ma-anticipate natin yung oras natin. Hindi ata ako naka-ano. Here, the predictive modeling example in the company or organization or in the marketing, tayong mga marketers tayo. So, we are planning. Kasi sabi nga natin, looking to the past to predict the future when it comes to predictive modeling. Kasi nga, dun sa business pa lang or sa company natin is meron na tayong mga product. So, meron na tayong running company running products that we are sell to the sa mga tao. So, right now, there are innovation technologies. So, may mga way para lang i-market yung mga products or yung mga services na meron tayo. Like example, we're just focusing here, my example here is just like online shop, 'di ba? So, dito pa lang sa predictive modeling is napag-isipan na nila or pag-iisipan pa lang or pinaplano pa lang dito na kung paano or anong way or anong mga tools yung gagamitin nila para lang maibenta or maka-gain or gain profits from the business kasi baliw lang naman yung hindi kumikita pag nagnenegosyo tayo, di ba? So here pa lang, yung mga strategic or mga technique na ginagawa nila in the marketers, tayo mga marketers, just example, ako yung owner or the marketer. So here pa lang, dun sa business ko, so magpa-plan ako ng mga bagay or mga tools na kailangan ko para lang in this product, in this online shop, 'di ba sa online shopping like TikTok, what is this Shopee or Lazada. So doon pa lang is malalaman ko na eh. Doon pa lang kung ano yung mga trends, kung ano yung dapat kong gawin kasi dapat in trends or in demand yung mga strategy or tools na ginagamit ko right away. The next one is, eto nga, the predictive modeling process in generally compasses in the subsequent stages. Number one, the data collection, data processing, feature selections, model selections, model training, model evaluation, model toning, and prediction. Ito yung mga categorize niya kung paano or anong gagamitin ng mga tools at saka mas strategic or analysis dun sa predictive modeling na tinatawag. So here, number one is yung data, data collection. So, di ba, where gather the data collection sources such as the customer interactions, the purchase or the history or demographics and the online behavior. So, right now, lahat or not lahat or maybe right away right now kasi lahat is meron ng cellphone. So, sa cellphone kasi is doon yung right purchase product kasi yun yung easiest way hassle time or dun pa lang is time na para sa mga tawag. So tayong mga yun yung ano natin, yun na ito yung easiest way. So ito na yung mga data collections, ito na yung mga nag-gather nating information from the trends right now. So next one is the data processing. It's clean and transform the prepare and data for analysis by the addressing the missing values, the outliers, and the inconsistencies. Mamaya elaborate ko na lang or i-brief example ko na lang. I just read this, then I just give us an example. Next one is feature selections. Identify the most relevant variables features that's influence the outcome being predicted. Next one is the model selection. Choose the appropriate items or that such as linear functions, trees, random pares or neural networks based on the nature of the prediction task. Next one is a model display data into the training and the testing set. The model is trained on the training data to learn the patterns and relationships. Next one is the model evaluation. Test the model performance on the testing data using the metric like accuracy, precisions, recall, or the mean squared error. Next one is a model toning parameters for performance and generations. And predictions, use the predictions on the unseen data. So here the example, sinabi na shop. So doon pala napagplanuhan yung mga pictures, ano yung way to the customer na win-win situation, or the customer is gaining what they wanted to be. Kasi nga, kung ano yung wants nila, this nabibigay natin, di ba? So doon pa lang on the comments and suggestion, di ba? Pag sa TikTok or online shop like Shopee, di ba nakalagay dun sa mga comments and suggestion. So doon pa lang is napipredict na ng marketers tayo na kung ano yung mga dapat pa i-implied or dapat pang i-improve, kung ano pa yung mga, di ba, nagkakaroon siya ng disadvantages or advantages or the bad comments or the good comments dun sa mga suggestion pag nandun ka nagbabasa dun sa mga history ng online shops like Lazada and Shopee. Then the next one is yung customer segmentation. Sorry, the wrong type here. Sa customer tayong mga marketers din yung yung na natin na nalalaman yung significant or the target smaller groups, or dito na natin or nabahagi na like age, gender, like something like that. Dito na natin malalaman kasi kanina ginamit natin yung plano or yung mga tools na ginagamit. So yes, right now we're in demands kasi malalaman din natin kung ano yung mga trends ngayon eh. Like sa mga teenager. So ano ba yung mga trends ngayon? Like using the social media. So just like that. So dito sa customer segmentation is na-categorize kumbaga. Nalalaman na natin kung ano yung mga kategorya, just like that. Yung mga kategorya ng mga customer na dapat natin i-improve dun sa mga product or services na meron man tayo. So here, the process of customer segmentations encompasses the identification that a categorization or the customer based on the specific characters and attributes. Yun nga kanina yung data collections, example doon. Then segmentation variables, segmentation method, segment creation, segment profiling, targeting and messaging, and last one is a measurement of optimization. So, yun nga, example kanina, doon sa data collection, like example, nag-gather mo na information at demographics, nalaman mo na yung, yung gender, yung location. Kasi, we're the marketers, so hindi tayo pwedeng magbenta on the on the certain area na hindi naman trends doon. Something like that. Kasi, hindi siya mabenta eh. Walang way of marketing strategy to inform their customer. Kasi like province. So medyo malayo, just like hindi naman abot yung satellite or something signal doon. So they're not informed well regarding on the trends right now. So marketers are just focused on the selected areas and the trends or the in-demand right now ng mga products and services na pwede nilang mai-offer. Kasi marketers is, they're also taught or they also think the profit or the gaining of from the certain of customers, like yun nga sinabi ko kanina, yung mga segmentations like mga profiling nila. So dun pa lang is nalalaman na nila ng marketers or ng mga businesses na kung saan yung certain area na bibigyan nila ng product na gano'n, i-offer nila na gano'n. But right now here, the Philippines, lots of Filipino naman is very na-inform naman sila with regards on the markets. And right now, lahat naman is may mga cellphone na. So they're informed well. Next one is segmentation variables, just the variables that very relevant to the business. The goals will lead a meaningful and segments. Segmentation methods apply the segmentation techniques such as a clustering or the grouping similar customers under the segmentation using the predefine. Segment creation, segment based on the chosen variable. And segment profiling, yun nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung nakategorize characteristics and behavior of its segments ng mga customers, and their preferences and needs and behaviors. Target and messaging. Develop the marketing strategies and campaigns tailored to each segment's preference and needs. Next one is the measurement and optimizations. Evaluate the effectiveness and the segment based on the strategic and refine them as a needed based on the performance metrics. Yun nga example kanina, online shop. Kasi yun nga yung tools na pinakita ng kagrupo kanina. So we're using the tools na mas mapadali sa mga marketers. Like example na kanina, I just look for the Excel. Yung mga data from the online shop or yung like example, ako na customer, I just order or purchase a product. So nagagather na information kasi nandun yung pangalan mo, the ages, kung saan certain location ka. Then yung mga information like kanina dun sa sinabi a data privacy like that. So when using the payment like credit card, yung mga information naman doon is naka-secure naman, at saka meron namang Privacy Data Act, so they're secure naman when it comes to the privacy. Then yun nga so dito pa lang dito sa topic na to is na-categorize na, naka-systematize na lahat from the tools that we report earlier. So nagamit naman namin dito. That's all. Thank you.